So this is really interesting. There was a home that I had listed and we knew we needed to do a lot to get it ready for market. So I ended up hiring a contractor and we renovated it from top to bottom. I went to the home every week for 4 months to hurry the contractor along because I kept telling him, until we get this on the market, I don't get paid. So I'm doing a 4-month project. Other realtors are like, you're crazy. What are you doing this for? And it's like, because it's the right thing to do, so that was a long process. I was really trying to speed him along. And as we know with construction, things get delayed, but we renovated every bathroom, we renovated the kitchen, we put new floors in, we did everything for this condo. It was sold for over ask, more than they ever anticipated. In fact, it was funny. The heir kept saying, oh, I don't think it's going to go above this amount. I bet you it will. And it's like we almost had a little challenge going. It was great. In fact, the problem is they almost like the renovation so much, then they don't want to sell. It's like, wait, we still have to sell it.